Hi students, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Chapter 2 shapes and angles. Today we are going to learn about different types of angles. Here you can see an angle in the shape of L. We can call it as a right angle. It is a right angle. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. You can see some examples of right angles which you come across in your daily life. Now you are watching a narrow angle. This angle can be called as acute angle. An acute angle is any angle whose measure is between 0 degree and 90 degrees, which is less than a right angle. Look at the pictures where you can see right angles. Such type of angles are called obtuse angle. If an angle is wider than 90 degrees, it is considered to be an obtuse angle. It measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Obtuse angle means it is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Just have a look at these pictures which shows obtuse angles. Here is another type of angle, straight angle. As the name says, it is straight. An angle that measures 180 degree is called a straight angle. Have a look at these pictures. It shows straight angles. Have a look at all these types of angles at a glance. Obtuse angle, which is more than a right angle. The measure is between 90 degree and 180 degree. Then comes acute angle, which is less than a right angle. It measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. Right angle, an angle which measures 90 degree exactly, that is known as right angle. Then straight angle, an angle which measures 180 degree is called straight angle. Look at this type of angle. It's called reflex angle. The reflex angle is the larger angle. It is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Just have a look at this cake. A piece of cake which is an acute angle is cut away from it. The remaining part of the bigger angle is known as reflex angle. Look at some of the examples of acute, obtuse and right angles which you can see in nature. How do we measure an angle? Angles can be measured using an instrument. It's called protractor. Angles are measured in degrees. The protractor you can see in your geometry box. Using protractor, we can measure an angle. Look at the angles in the pictures and classify them as acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle or reflex angle. Look at the first picture. This is the picture of a leaf. The angle formed here is an acute angle which is less than 90 degree. This is the picture of a crown. The angle shown in this crown is an obtuse angle which is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. The angle formed in the cone of an ice cream cup It is an acute angle which is less than 90 degree. And what is the angle shown in the staircase? It is a straight angle. And the angle shown between the hands of a clock, needle of the clock, between 12 and 7, it is a reflex angle. Here are two activities for you to do. First one is making an angle tester. For that, cut two strips from a cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing pin in such a way that both the strips can move around easily. That can be used as an angle tester. Second activity is draw or paste any 5 pictures and mark the angle seen in those pictures. You can also write what kind of angle it is. Thank you, dear students. Let's meet again with another topic next time. Bye.